Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maria Ulfa. I am from class 5.2 English Education. In this video, I will explain about the definition and modes of interpreting. Definition of interpreting. Interpreting is an activity that consists of establishing oral or manual communication between two or more speakers who are not speaking or signing the same language. The role of the interpreter is to help establish direct communication between the professional, social worker, healthcare, and lawyer, and the person with limited English proficiency or LEP. For the communication to be truly direct, the interpreter serves strictly as a communication conduit, always interpreting in the first person. Interpreters strive to render all messages in their entirety accurately, as faithfully as possible, and to the best of their ability, without addition, distortion, omission, or embellishment of the meaning. Modes of interpreting. 1. Consecutive interpreting. Consecutive interpreting is commonly used in small meetings and legal proceedings, including arbitrations, depositions, hearings, and trials. In this real-time interpretation method, the speaker pauses after every few sentences and allows the interpreter to translate. A helpful tool for consecutive interpreting is reading the manuscript produced by a court reporter. This helps the interpreter translate the proceedings more quickly and accurately than if they could only rely on their own notes for interpretation. And 2. Simultaneous interpretation. While in consecutive interpretation, the interpreter translates on the speaker stops speaking. In simultaneous interpreting, the interpreter translates while the speaker is talking. Since this type of translation occurs in real time, the interpreter must quickly digest what the speaker is saying and immediately translate into another language. Simultaneous interpretation is usually used in non-legal proceedings, such as at the European Union, the United Nations, and other conferences where multiple languages are used. At the events, simultaneous interpreters work in soundproof booths with a group of translators. The speaker uses a microphone that transports the sound to the interpreter. The interpreters then translate the language. It translates the language simultaneously. The attendants at the meeting can select the language they want on their listening device so they can hear the translation in their language. Okay, I think that's all definition of interpreting and modes. Thanks for watching and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.